So, as you can see, we started pulling out a lot of trash and the scrap. We started taking down this fence, which I'm going to try and get finished today. All that fencing around that doghouse was buried under the soil, and tree roots and everything have grown into it, so I'm trying to get it all cut out as best as possible. It's just been so hot. It's unbelievably hot up here this summer in Michigan. But here's our boat. Got it pulled out. I have no idea if it's float worthy. It doesn't look like it's been registered since 2004. So my guess is it's probably not watertight, but you know, who knows? Give it a shot, maybe. We were hoping to salvage this wood splitter that's over here in the woods, but it's pretty far gone. Don't think there's going to be any salvaging this. The cylinder would have to be replaced. I mean, pretty much everything. The only thing that's good about it is the frame and the splitting wedge there. But scrap metal, it's probably not worth that much. Maybe 20 bucks. But I got a family member who wants it. Started doing our wood. Kind of like ADHD when it comes to projects. I'm kind of all over the place these days. I just want to get everything done as quick as possible, but it's not usually how it works out. So I'm trying to prioritize and get rid of the eyesores, which this thing is definitely an eyesore. This is the trailer that we pulled out of the woods, back by where I just showed you the wood. No tires, they're flat. This thing is rusted shut, but we have probably $100 worth of tomato cages in here. I'm gonna salvage those, and again, get rid of the trailer. I have no use for it, so probably give it to my brother. And this here's what we're working on today. Let me see if I can get all this torn down and taken out. Get rid of these damn pine trees. And we should be good to go. Alright. See how this goes.